much honored to be part of this fine circle of people promoting Persian culture and cuisine. I would like to thank Farhang Foundation for that. Today I will show you how to cook 4 fruits rice with orange saffron chicken. It's not a Persian classic, but it's savory and colorful dish that in my opinion it represents Persian cuisine. I hope you'll enjoy it. Let's start by picking up the dried fruits. To prepare the rice, first we need to cut our dried apricots into bite-sized pieces. We start with firmer ingredients and we slowly go to softer ones. We need to roast our almond flakes until they are golden and aromatic. Just like this. Then we add our dried apricots and we stir for 5 minutes until they're softened. After a few minutes, we add our cranberries and give it a stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Before adding our barberries, we need to add the vegetable oil and we stir for another 5 minutes until everything combines. Then we make a hole at the center of the pot and we drizzle some honey in the middle. Quickly after we drizzle the honey, we need to pour some sour orange juice and bring it to the boil. Now it's time to add our orange juice. Stir for a few seconds and let it come to simmer. Now it's time to add our spices. We start with black pepper, then we add our ground coriander seeds. Right after that we add our cinnamon powder and then some cardamom and cumin. Give it a stir for 1 minute on a medium heat, then add your salt and ground saffron. And for a few seconds just stir it. At the end we need to add our barberries. You don't need to cook it for a long time, just a few seconds. Just stir. At this stage you need to add your orange blossom water and rose water. And we're done. Let's start with the chicken. For the chicken we need to dice our onions very thinly and our garlics. Start with heating 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 spoon of vegetable oil. Saute the onions until they are light. Just stir for a few minutes. Then add the garlics and stir for a few minutes. Then add the onion powder and the garlic powder. Again, stir for 1 minute until everything. combines, then add turmeric, a bit of cumin, and the black pepper. Just stir for a few seconds. Now it's time to put our chicken fillets on the bed of the onions. Just put them on the top of the onions. Put some salt over it and your black pepper again. At this stage, I add some saffron and fill it up with orange juice just to cover the chicken. Some lemon juice and cover it until it cooks. It takes 35 minutes. Now it's time to prepare our rice. In a large non-stick pot, bring your water to boil on a high heat. When it starts boiling, boil your rice over high heat for 10 minutes. Depends on the rice, the kind of a rice you're using. Then gently stir and bite a few grains. If the rice feels soft, it is ready. Drain rice in a large colander. Now we are making our famous Persian tahdig by adding some hot water, few tablespoons of full fat yogurt, vegetable oil, and ground saffron. Whisk everything together until the mixture is even. When the mixture is even, you need to put some of the rice that we cooked at the bottom of the pot and stir the rice into that yogurt mixture. Spread it at the bottom of the pot. Then we add a layer of the white rice, and after that we put some of the nuts mixture, the fruit mixture that we made earlier, on the top of the rice. We continue this until we reach the top. Just a layer of rice and a layer of fruits. We add some vegetable oil on top, and then we cover it and we cook this for 45 minutes on a medium heat. The chicken is ready. Now the rice is ready. We need to start the plating. First, we spread a layer of our rice mixture. Then we add our chicken on the top of that rice mixture. Feel free to add some sauce, the sauce that we actually have from chicken. Then we put another layer of rice mixture on the top of the chicken. You can serve it separately as well. And now it's our Persian tahdig. We gently flip it, and if you like, you can decorate it with the rest of the dried fruits mixture. Hope you enjoyed this colorful dish. Nusha Jan.